Alright guys, Wes here with Restore Your Jordans and More. I've got a problem with my 3's, my True Blues. They started yellow in the toe area and some on the bottom. So come back, I'm going to show you how I'm doing it. Alright, so here they are. They just got some yellowing going on. It's getting a little less, should be white, so we're going to take care of that by putting the Salon Care on it. And it's not too bad on the bottom, but I'm going to put some stuff on there as well. So got the shoes, Salon Care 40, probably some tape to help tape it to the shoe, saran wrap, paintbrush. I'm going to try to put the paint to put the Salon Care in. So let's get started. I almost forgot one of the most important parts. Gotta put the painter's tape on there. Alright, all the tape is on where I need to protect. So now we're going to go put the Salon Care on. Alright, all taped up, plastic up, put it in the box. Alright, it's been an evening. We're going to take our Jordan 3 True Blues out of the ice box. So hopefully we whitened up that part that was yellowed, and I'm pretty sure the box is working pretty good because I just took the infrared cements out and they looked from yellow to gray, so it's working pretty good. So come right back, I'll show you what it looks like now. Alright, this is them. So I don't know if you can see it real good, but this area here was getting quite yellow. So again, I'll show you the before and afters, but that area is definitely better. So I'm going to go rinse off the Salon Care, and I'll be back to show you the results. So alright, I'm happy. These things came out real good. Here's the True Blues. I'm going to take the tape off here pretty soon. But at least I put that on there so it didn't get onto the cement area. So that whiteness is nice. Alright, step by step, these shoes and all my shoes are getting better. If there's anything you want to see, let me know. I can try to see if I can accomplish something for you. Alright, I'm excited again about these True Blues. They're looking pretty good. So they had the yellowing going on the toe areas. That is completely gone. They are white. Alright, so I even touched up the bottoms, and they're white again. If you're liking the video, make sure you give it that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get the next video when it comes out. I've got a bunch more projects coming up. Make sure you stay tuned. Like I said before, I'm also branching out a little bit and throwing up some house restoration stuff. So branching off a little bit into that, so keep notice of that coming out too. As always, I appreciate your support, and peace.